How to start a freelance business video. Being a freelancer is one of the most liberating career paths. It is also one of the toughest. Starting a freelance business is not just as simple as waking up in the morning, rolling out of bed, and opening your laptop. Freelancing is not just an easy way to monetize your hobbies, and nor is it easier than a proper job. Nevertheless, freelance work is some of the most rewarding work you will ever do. Freelance can be done part-time, on the side, or, eventually, it may turn into a full-time job. This video course will give you all the tools that you need to be a successful freelancer. It will tackle common problems and answer the most common questions that new freelancers have. Topics covered: the top 5 benefits to being a freelancer, top time management tips for freelancers to maximize your productivity, 5 reasons why you need to find a niche as a freelancer, how to write a captivating freelance profile to score valuable clients, top things to remember when you are becoming a freelancer, things to define in order to be a successful freelancer, the 5 best ways to build a freelance portfolio, 4 reasons to persevere with a freelance business, the secret to finding freelance work online, the most effective platforms to market your freelance business on.